Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locating the source. Open Task Manager and sort by disk to see what's driving 100% usage. Once visible, note process names and PIDs so you can test safely. You need that before making changes. Next, end a non-critical process briefly to confirm whether disk usage drops. If it does, you've isolated a culprit and can move to targeted fixes. While doing this, remember to save work and make a system restore point in case you need to roll back changes. Once you've isolated behavior, stop known hi-i/o services. Disable sysmain and Windows search temporarily to see effect. Make sure to explain why. These services aggressively prefetch and index, which can saturate disks on older hardware. Then update or roll back storage and controller drivers in Device Manager because driver issues can cause constant queuing. After driver work, run SFC and DISM to repair system files. And if file system errors persist, schedule chkdsk on next boot so Windows can repair bad sectors. Finish by validating the drive. Check smart attributes and run the manufacturer's diagnostics to confirm health. Degraded drives cause constant 100% usage. Once you've ruled hardware out, adjust virtual memory to system managed, disable unnecessary background apps, and set a balanced or high-performance power plan so the disk isn't throttled. Make sure to reboot and monitor. If problems persist after these steps, back up your data and consider migrating to an SSD or performing a clean Windows reinstall as the final remedy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.